Did you know that 85% of people struggle with self-doubt on a daily basis? But what if I told you in just 5 minutes a day, you could rewire your brain to boost confidence, overcome self-doubt, and transform your life? The science behind positive affirmations is real. And today, I'm going to share exactly how to use them to create instant powerful change in your confidence levels. Before we dive in, I want to know, what's your biggest confidence struggle right now? Is it speaking up in meetings, setting boundaries with difficult people, or perhaps believing that you deserve a promotion? Drop it in the comments below and let's see if we can tackle it together in this video. And thank you to Fushi. I'll attach a discount code in the description below. Number 1, the science behind positive affirmations. Let's start by understanding why affirmations actually work. This isn't just about repeating nice phrases. There's serious neuroscience at play. When you constantly repeat positive affirmations, you're literally rewiring your neural pathways. Your brain doesn't actually know the difference between what you vividly imagine and what you've experienced. Studies have shown that self-affirmation activates the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, the same area associated with positive valuation and self-related information processing. This creates new neural connections that over time become your default thought patterns. I struggled with this concept initially. I remember standing in front of my bathroom mirror, feeling absolutely ridiculous, saying I'm confident and I'm capable, when inside I felt anything but. My arms were crossed, my voice was quiet, and I couldn't even maintain eye contact with myself. But I committed to 30 days, and by day 14, something shifted. I started noticing small changes in how I carried myself in meetings, made decisions without second guessing, and how I responded to challenges with more composure and less anxiety. For those of you who really want to understand the science of rewiring your brain, I highly recommend checking out Mindset, The New Psychology of Success by Carol Dweck. This bestseller discusses how our thoughts create our reality and offers practical exercises beyond what I can cover today. Dweck's research on fixed versus growth mindset provides the perfect foundation for understanding why affirmations work so powerfully when practiced consistently. If you've ever felt that surge of self-doubt right before a presentation or important conversation, that tightness in your chest, the racing thoughts, maybe even feeling slightly nauseous, go ahead and hit that like button below. I know I'm not alone in this. After watching this video, you can also check out my next video on the power of mindset and how to use confidence to achieve success. This is where I dive even deeper into the psychological aspects of confidence, building and sharing advanced techniques that complement the affirmation work that we're discussing today. Number 2, creating effective affirmations that actually work. Not all affirmations are created equal. The most powerful affirmations share 5 key characteristics. The first being the present tense. Phrase them as though they're already true, not something that you're hoping for in future. Next being positive language. Focusing on what you want, not what you don't want. Say I am calm instead of I am not anxious. Affirmations should also be personal. Start with I am or I have to make it directly about you. Specifically target exact qualities or outcomes rather than vague generalities. And finally, emotional. Include how it feels to embody this truth, engaging your emotional brain. Let me give you examples of weak versus strong affirmations. Weak will be, I won't be nervous during my presentation tomorrow. Strong would be, I'm confidently sharing my expertise with clarity and enthusiasm. My audience values my unique perspective. Weak would be, I hope people will like me at the networking event. Strong, I connect authentically with others, bringing my genuine self to every conversation. People appreciate my warmth and insights. For those of you who want more personalized guidance, I've attached my 100 self-love affirmation cards, where each card addresses specific confidence challenges with powerfully worded affirmations designed to target different areas of self-doubt. Many users keep them on their nightstand and pull one each morning to set intention for the day. I'll attach a link in the description so you can check them out below. Number 3, the 5-minute morning affirmation ritual. Consistency is everything when it comes to affirmations. Let me share my exact 5-minute morning routine that's helped thousands of people see real results. You can start by finding your power space, and this takes 30 seconds. This is a distraction-free space where you'll feel comfortable speaking out loud. Ideally, choose a space with natural light and minimal clutter. Next, try to center yourself for 1 minute. Take 5 deep breaths to ground your energy. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly as you breathe, connecting to your physical presence. Next, you can try mirror work, which takes 2 minutes. Look into your own eyes. Speak your 3 to 5 chosen affirmations with conviction. Maintain eye contact. Speak clearly and use confident body language, even if you don't feel like it just yet. Next is an embodiment exercise, which will take 1 minute. Close your eyes and truly feel the emotions of your affirmation. Visualize yourself living these truths. See the confidence in your posture. Hear the strength in your voice. Feel the calm certainty in your chest. And finally, gratitude. You can try thanking yourself for this practice and setting an intention to carry this energy throughout your day. The transformation I experienced with these rituals was powerful. 2 years ago, I was terrified of being on camera or speaking in front of small groups. My throat would close up, my mind would go blank, and I'd physically feel sick about being the center of attention. This started with just one affirmation. I communicate with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Within 6 months, I was confident in leading workshops for people, making eye contact, speaking without notes, and actually enjoying the experience. For those who want to enhance this ritual, I'd recommend checking out Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book provides a perfect framework, constant daily practices like affirmations, and shows how tiny changes create remarkable results. Clear explains the 4 laws of behavioral change that makes habits stick, which is crucial for affirmation practice. For many people, it's become essential in their confidence journey. Number 4, affirmations for specific confidence challenges. Different situations call for different types of affirmations. Let's break down specific confidence challenges and the affirmations that can help. For professional confidence, you can try, I bring unique value and perspective to every project I touch. My contributions are essential to success. For social confidence, I connect easily with others and create meaningful relationships. Conversations naturally flow when I'm authentic. For body confidence, I embrace my unique physical qualities with love and appreciation. Body is strong, capable, and deserving of care. For a deeper dive into confidence in all areas of life, You'll find much more in Module 3 of the Success Blueprint course. Explore these concepts in more personalized guidance, and you can enroll instantly in the description below. This also includes my 100 self-love affirmation cards, which include targeted statements for each of these confidence areas, making it easier to focus on what you need most right now. Number 5, overcoming imposter syndrome with affirmations. Imposter syndrome, that persistent feeling that you're a fraud despite evidence of your competence, affects approximately 70% of people at some point in their careers. Targeted affirmations can directly address the specific thought patterns of imposter syndrome. I have earned my success through dedication and skill. My achievements reflect my capabilities. I bring valuable perspectives that are uniquely mine. My voice deserves to be heard. I belong in this room and at this table. My presence adds value to this conversation. What's powerful about these affirmations is that they directly contradict the core beliefs of imposter syndrome. When the inner voice says you got lucky, with I earned this through dedication and skill. This creates cognitive dissonance that over time weakens a negative belief and strengthens a positive one. If you struggle with imposter syndrome, remember that you're in good company. Even Maya Angelou once said, I have written 11 books, but each time I think, uh-oh, they're going to find out now. The difference is learning to recognize these thoughts as imposter syndrome rather than reality. Remember to start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. Confidence isn't built overnight, but with deliberate practice, you can fundamentally shift how you see yourself and how you show up in the world. For my most vulnerable and personal journey with self-love and confidence, be sure to watch my next video on how to build a relationship with yourself with 9 key self-love habits. I share strategies there that I've never discussed before. I'll see you there.